Hi guys, it's working? Not sure. Working, right? Okay. Cool. So I have 10 minutes. I'll start with the most important things. Firstly, great. Thanks iMedia for having such wonderful people. I met a person over here who spent about 5 years researching on the mind and figuring out, what a person does when the toothpaste is empty. I've met a person over here who's, innovated on a tile and he teaches kids over there. I met a person over here for the very first time who did not use the 1-minute session to pitch at all, but told me about my name and others' names. I've met a person over here who quit a very, very high-profile exit possibility for another opportunity so that he can innovate more, and so on and so forth. So before I start, a great round of applause for all of you. You guys have not just survived pandemic, but come out of it, done excellent, and I'm great that you guys organized it. Most important part is done. This is very boring. A brainstorming session, right? I don't want to, essentially I want your help in this session because like we said, there are a few restrictions here and there. As a marketer, what should I do? Right? We are in the crypto world. Is there something that we can do? What is the first thing that you would want a crypto marketer to do? Trust. So we tried that. And this is what happened. We are trying to build trust, but at a macro level, our industry cannot build trust because of the policies are not being defined over here. So we have an issue. What do we do next? We have to try out other things, right? We are marketers. We have to try a lot of other things. We try reach. So what's the best way? As a digital marketer, what is the best way to get as much reach as possible? Better than sports? Facebook, Google might have heard. Some of you. As a digital marketer, they don't allow us to advertise. So what do we do? Sorry? What do we do? Alliance. So we might try alliance, right? What happens over there? The top brands who are very, very particular about their images, they will not tie up with a crypto brand. So we can't do large-scale alliances. So what do? We try to get some sponsors, right? Because as a marketer, I have to try out everything. What happens over there? The biggest events in the country, the biggest associations, the biggest shows, all of those, again, have the same answer for us. So what do we do as a marketer? What's that? We try to get some advocates for us, right? External people who have huge credibility, and they try to promote us. What happens then? Most of the celebrities in any space, they don't want to talk to us. They say, you're crypto. Once the government says something, then you come back. Right now, stay away. So what do we try? We'll say, let's bombard, do whatever is possible, right? Just go all out, whatever it is, whether it's Moz or Josh or any app, Chingari, wherever, just go take whatever is available. That's what people tell us. But we have to work as a business. We have to focus on signups, we have to focus on CAC, just like all of you. P&L, CAC, valuation, all of that. So we can't just bombard and get wrong audience. So what do we do? What's the easiest way to get a user these days? Right? Give them something, give them lucrative, keep giving them more and more and more, get them into the habit, and then build your user base. But we are an exchange. We're not a broker. So what's an exchange? We are like the NSE and BSE of stock exchange or of cryptos. We're not a broker. We're not a player who will just go and do anything and everything required to get users. So that's a context of where we work, right? So that everyone understands that what is this industry about. Some of you might think that this is very similar to gaming. Again, no, because we are an exchange. We don't want to get gamers. We don't want to create that ecosystem. We are creating an ecosystem for investors. So we have to follow all the compliances. We have to follow all the rules, all the standards, even if they're not defined by the government. So this is what I wanted to give you the context. Again, I don't have time to share exactly how we work, but here are some results. I don't know, probably, I don't have the exact number over there, but we are definitely amongst the top 5 fastest growing companies in India and the first unicorn in this space, despite of a few challenges here and there. Easy, right? Can be done. Any guesses? So I won't tell you how it is done. Of course, I can't, right? But we have a framework for that. It's called AKK framework, which is BS, because there's nothing called AKK and there's nothing called framework. It is just a culture that we have. We have a culture where we think beyond marketing, where we think beyond everything that we have been taught, where we think beyond everywhere you can find audience, where we think beyond the economy we live in, where we think beyond the digital constraints that we have. And that's the only message that I wanted to give you, that today's marketing, at least for us, is not about mind the gap. It is about find the gap. Thank you.
You didn't finish the. I want to know the climax. कि मतलब लगान मैंने देख ली पर एंड में मतलब वो छक्का था कि आउट था. Because that's the.
Right? Frankly, I'll need half a day for that. Right?
अच्छा वो मेरी प्रॉब्लम है अब.
हाँ, we can sit. I can explain all of that. Right? हाँ, मतलब obviously I can share as much as possible. I'll be very happy. But yeah, now it's 1 minute 45 seconds.
ठीक है पकड़ता हूँ तुम्हें बाद में. Thanks.
Thank you.